Good day everyone. This our report describe the various established checklists to be used on board prior to loading while in transit and prior to unloading dangerous cargoes in package form. Introduction. Dangerous cargoes in package form refers to hazardous materials that are packed in containers, drums, boxes, cylinders, or other types of packages for transportation. These materials may be flammable, toxic, corrosive, or explosive and can pose serious risk to people, property, and the environment if not handled properly. To ensure safe handling in transportation, ships follow strict procedure and safety checklists based on international standards set by the International Maritime Organization and the International Maritime Dangerous Goods Code. These checklists are used at their important stage prior to loading while the cargo is in transit and prior to unloading. Following these procedures helps prevent accident, cargo damage, and environmental pollution.
Day, sir. Number one, checklist prior to loading dangerous cargoes. Before dangerous goods are loaded on board a vessel, several checks must be carried out to ensure that the cargo is safe and properly prepared for transportation. Documentation. Verify that the dangerous goods declaration is properly completed and signed by the shipper. Check that the correct UN number, proper shipping name, hazard class, and packing group are indicated. Ensure that all required documents comply with the regulations of IMDG code. Confirm that emergency response information and safety data sheets are available. Packaging. Inspect packages to ensure